afternoon, as Typhoon Opong threatened to hit Metro Manila and nearby provinces, the Department of Agriculture is preparing measures to ensure that prices of goods will remain stable. Authorities say they are ready to recommend a price freeze to prevent abuse and to protect consumers. And live from Agora Market, Pauline Marcelo, exclusive!
Maraming salamat, May. Nandito kami ngayon sa Agora Market upang malaman kung ano nga ba ang nagiging presyo ngayon ng mga paninda dito dahil sa dumating na bagyo.
According to one fish retailer, they would be severely affected if the price of their fish were limited. That is why she said they often prefer to close down rather than sell their goods at a price that wouldn't be enough to cover their capital.
Siyempre, maapektuhan kami, lugi. Minsan nagsasarado ako pag hindi kayang ibenta sa market yung presyo ng isda. Ganun ang ginagawa ko eh. Siyempre, pag mataas ang kapital, pag alam ko hindi ko na kayang ibenta dito, hindi na kaya ng mamayan, ng mga mamimili, hindi na ako magtitinda muna.
Assistant Secretary Genevieve Villicorio Guevara of the Department of Agriculture said that they are prepared to recommend a price freeze if necessary, especially once Typhoon Opong affects supply and distribution.
Pwede natin gawin is i-monitor po natin yung prices, no? And of course, kung talagang kailangan natin mag-price freeze dahil nga po meron tayong calamity.
Other vegetables with higher prices, including carrots, are now reaching the 300 per kilo, tomatoes at 160 pesos, and cabbage at 120 pesos.
Based on monitoring, the price of fish remain high while vegetables are also expensive as well with the looming typhoon.
Meanwhile, on the part of the vegetables retailers, Vincent explained that they don't store or stockpile their goods. He said the reason is the daily fluctuating prices of the vegetables.
Araw-araw kasi nagbabago yung presyo ng gulay. Pwede ngayon mura, bukas mahal. Kaya pagka nag-ipon kami ng panahon na mahal yung gulay, kinabukasan nagmura. Paano namin ibibenta ng di kayo matutalo sa puhunan pagka ganun?
The price of rice remains significantly high and has not dropped back to affordable levels.
Mahal ang bigas. Tapos hindi na bumalik sa dating price. Dati kasi may 32, may 30. Ngayon halos nag times 2 na 50 up.
She also strongly expressed her opposition to the government's planned price freeze. She stated that not only they, as vendors, would be affected by this, but also the livelihood of the farmers who are the source of the supply. We also interviewed one vendor who is also a consumer. She further stated that what the government should implement is the promised affordable rice.
Patupad nila yung pinapangako nilang murang bigas. Katulad yan, meron nga murang bigas, halos di naman di makain. Diba? Katulad din yan, yung isda. Tahong, tumataas ang presyo lalo. Ano na lang buhay namin dito, malilit na vendors.
Authorities remind the public that the price freeze may be implemented after the calamity to ensure that goods remains available and affordable. However, both farmers and retailers are also calling for support since high farm gate costs and transport expenses are already putting pressure on their livelihood.
From Agora Market in Navotas, I'm Pauline Marcelo, LN News.
Salamat sa iyo, Pauline. Officials assured the public that they will continue monitoring the situation to keep essential goods, especially for those severely affected by Typhoon Opong. And this is May Tolentino, LN News.